Hi everyone, welcome to Fun Food Fashion again. Yet another episode, another new recipe. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make veg manchurian. I hope you will like the video, so please hit the like button and also don't forget to comment and share my video, and also subscribe to my channel if you are new. So without further saying, let's get started and see how to make veg manchurian. For making veg manchurian, these are the vegetables I have taken. You can take your choice of vegetables. So now I'm going to use my food processor for cutting the vegetables. I have attached the grater attachment with the food processor. So here goes one carrot and one potato. I'm using food processor because that way it will be easier for me and less time consuming for me. Now I'm adding some cauliflower florets, like half of cauliflower. Next goes in, okay, slice them nicely. Now next goes in cabbage. You can do it manually but it will take a lot of time. Now capsicum, French beans and one onion. They are done. Now handful of coriander and then spring onions and green chilies. So all the vegetables I have cut into the food processor. You can see all of them are nicely cut within no time and they are all evenly cut. And if I had done it manually, it would have taken a lot of time, hell lot of time. So I'm using my food processor. Now I'm going to add some salt, a lot of salt, and then I'm going to rest it for 15 minutes so that all the vegetables release some water. They are going to release water. Meanwhile, I'm going to cut the vegetables for gravy. You need some onion, one onion, and roughly chop them like that. I'm thickly slicing them and cutting them. Okay, done. Next, capsicum, half of a capsicum, and I'm going to cut it roughly as well, like this, small slices. Don't have to be all even and all. So done. Okay, keep them aside. Then comes spring onion green parts, and cut them as well, roughly cut them as well. Done. Next, handful of coriander, coriander leaves, that also roughly chopped. Next, our veggies were resting for 15 to 20 minutes. Now they have released a lot of water, see, and I'm going to squeeze out all the water. So I have squeezed out all the water. Now I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of corn flour and I'm going to combine them. I haven't used any other thing, not even salt, because they already had a lot of salt in them. So just corn flour and make some balls like this, small balls. I haven't used any kind of soy sauce or tomato sauce, because if we use any kind of moisture, the balls can break when you are trying to fry them into the oil. So now here I'm going to heat up a lot of oil for frying those veg manchurian balls. So it's nice and hot. I have coated the ball with some dry corn flour and now I'm going to put them into the oil and I'm going to fry them over low flame till they're golden brown, because otherwise the veggies will not be cooked through. So make sure you do it over low flame so that the raw vegetables present in the Manchurian balls are cooked through. So this is the color you want. Now I'm going to release them or take it out on a plate. So done, all the Manchurian balls are fried. See, now I have lessened the amount of oil. Here I have taken only 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil for making the gravy. So for making the gravy, here first I have taken 1 large onion paste and I am going to fry them till they are golden brown. This will give the gravy a body, and do it over medium flame. Okay, so now they are golden brown, so this is the color you want. Now I'm going to add a paste which I have made with ginger, garlic and green chilies, and fry them as well for like 1 minute. Now they're done. Now I'm going to add some salt to taste. Don't use much salt because already soy sauce has some salt in it. I have used 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now I'm going to add some tomato sauce as well, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, and mix them as well, don't burn it. Now add the veggies, onion, and then I'm going to add the green capsicum or green bell pepper. So here goes the green bell peppers, and I'm going to stir fry them. Now I have turned the heat high and add a cup of water. I think I need more water, so I'm going to add some more water, half a cup more, and then let it come to boil over high flame. Now they're boiling up. Add some black pepper powder, half a teaspoon, then red chilli powder. This is optional, but I like it spicy, so I'm using it. Now add all the Manchurian balls into the gravy. Okay, now I'm going to let them cook for like 5 minutes or so over medium flame, so that they absorb all the gravy inside them and become very soft and juicy. Next, add the spring onion and coriander leaf and mix them. See, the Manchurian balls have increased in size after soaking up the gravy. Now to thicken it up further, I'm going to add some cornflour slurry, which I have made using 1 tablespoon of corn flour with 3 to 4 tablespoons of water, and mix them, and it's done. So this is so simple to make veg Manchurian at home. You don't need to order it from hotel or restaurant. You can make it by your own and have it anytime. So I'm going to remove it on a plate, and it's done. I hope you like the recipe. Please let me know in the comment section below, and enjoy your veg Manchurian, and don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel if you're new. Thank you.